Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add free WhatsApp button on Shopify store. By the way, if you don't have a Shopify store as yet, I'll be leaving a link in the description that you can use to sign up for completely free. Now, once on your Shopify dashboard, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on Add Apps. After doing that, you're going to tap on Shopify App Store and you're going to be redirected to a new page. On this new page, I want you to type in Dondy WhatsApp Marketing Plus Chat and you're going to tap on Install and you can install it for completely free. With the free installation, you'll get WhatsApp floating widget, unlimited WhatsApp conversations, stylish design, no watermark, and so much more. So you're going to tap on Install. After selecting Install, you'll be redirected to this page and you're going to tap on Install once more. Once it has been installed, you'll be redirected to the app dashboard. On the app dashboard, you can see numerous options. All you'll need to do now, you can tap on Add WhatsApp button. After selecting Add WhatsApp button, you're going to input your phone number. After putting in your phone number, you can decide the size of the button that you'd like to add. So let's say, for example, I would like to add a large button. You can scroll down and you can choose the positioning. So you can see right here, you can choose whether you'd like to add the widget to the left side of the page, the middle upper left, or so on. You can select whichever section you'd want it. And I'm just going to be adding it in the upper right. After doing that, you can scroll down and you could fill in a pre-fill message. You can also scroll down and this section right here, this would be for the pro plan. You can scroll down and from here you can see the different buttons. And once you're finished setting up everything, you're just going to tap on Save. After it has been saved, all you'll need to do now is Enable Widget. So you're going to tap on Enable Widget and it is going to redirect you to the editor page. After you're on the editor page, you'll go over to the left-hand menu option and you would tap on the third icon, which is App Embeds, and you just want to toggle on WhatsApp widget. Then you're going to tap on Save and you can see the WhatsApp button has already been added. And if I were to go onto a different page, for example, so let's say I were to go on my Shopify store. Once on my Shopify store, whichever page you go on, you will see the WhatsApp button, and once they tap on the button, from there they can start a conversation. It's as easy as that. And if we were to go back, and by the way, if you had added a pre-fill message, they would see the pre-fill message right there. So let's go back into the app real quick and we can continue customizing it. But that would basically be the video, as that's how to add a WhatsApp button for free. But if it is a case that you like to set up automations or so on, you can also do that. You could tap on automation and from there you can set up different automations. So you could tap on create automation flow. For example, you can set up an abandoned cart recovery. There are numerous options that you can explore. Keep in mind, majority of these options you'll need to go onto the paid plan. But if it is a case that you'll just like to add a WhatsApp button so that your customers can have a conversation, you have done that for free, as you can see right there. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.